just caught me a brand new slip-on exhaust. It's a real cheap one because I didn't want to spend a lot of money for something that was going to do so little for the performance aspect of it, but I just got it. Delkovic. That's how you say it, Delkovic? It's probably Delkovic or something like that. But anyways, we're gonna see how this baby sound. First things first, I have to take off the old stock exhaust. This is a stock exhaust. I got TST Industries carbon fiber tip put on there, and carbon fiber undertail, which I may have to take off now, which is I'm pretty sad about that because I spent some money on that, and I had to do some cutting on both sides. So if I take that off, or if I take this stock exhaust off, the way the new exhaust mounts is like in the middle. I'm gonna still have holes on both sides. I wanna put it back on, so I might just cut new holes and just leave it, or I might just get rid of it altogether. But first things first, let's take this baby off. Okay, I almost forgot. So before I start taking the old exhaust off, I'm gonna let you guys hear the sound. So, as I got my old exhaust off, the stock exhaust, I began to mock up the new one. Slip-on exhaust. You know, the fitment is right. Everything is lining up okay. Except, where the fuck did I put it? Oh. Except the fucking mount. It's like, did they even measure this shit before they fucking gave it to me? I guess you get what you pay for. And this shit don't even clamp all the way down. So, don't clamp all the way down. These are supposed to fit here. They don't, it's too narrow. So now, I'm gonna have to make this shit work somehow. Okay, so the plan is to find some brackets that I can connect. I'm gonna make it work like that, and I flipped it upside down the way it's supposed to be mounted, and I'm gonna use this to mount my license plate. But all in all, I like the way it looks. So, finally got this thing mounted. I bought some shelf brackets from Walmart. Both sides, 2 inches. Had to cut an inch off one side with my Dremel. And I had to muscle this shit on there because it's barely, like, it was barely fitting. Like, I didn't even tighten the bolts down all the way. Because I was afraid something was gonna break. But yeah, it's on there, solid. There's the old thing. There's a new thing. And I'm satisfied. So now, we're gonna start up and see what she sound like.
Double up, 3 or 4 times, I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up. Never let a hard time humble us. Double up, I ain't telling no lies, I just, yeah. I ain't telling no lies, I just 5, 4, 3, 2, that's time. I got